Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the wonderful world of feather. Well, if you have been in the wet shaving world for any more than just a few weeks, you have got to have heard of the name feather, because feather is synonymous with the sharpest blades on the market, and that's no joke. Feather's been around since 1932 out of Seki, Japan, and that town is known as like the samurai sword capital. This is where the steels, the famous foundries, you know, the deposits of the special kind of iron ore all come from. And these guys at Feather have made a name for being the sharpest blades in the industry. But you may not know, Feather's not just a brand of shaving products. In fact, most of Feather's business is outside of the shaving world. They are really known for a lot of industrial and medical grade products, a lot of scalpels, surgical tools, but also in the world of salons and hair care. These guys are known for teasers and shapers and scissors and all sorts of other kind of stylist kind of products. The shaving world is actually, I think, their smallest segment. For us wet shavers, they are a big name in the industry. Everyone has seen these packs of feather blades, the 5-packs, the 10-packs. They're the same blade. If you're wondering, by the way, the black and silver and then the yellow packaging, same blade, just one's a 5-pack, one's a 10-pack. Everyone has seen these guys around. I always tell people, don't start with a feather blade. You may be scared of double-edged shaving if you start with feather, because they can feel super sharp. Some people even say on the border of harsh. But other people love them, like my own flesh and blood. My brother, he loves feather blades. I've tried to get him to like other blades. He's like, I like the feather. So, hey, each to their own. But not only are they known for the blades, they've had on the market now for, oh gosh, probably almost a decade, the Feather ASD2. This is their all stainless steel double-edged razor. Super nice. Funny enough, it's a very mild razor. Paired with the feather blade, though, it makes a good combo. This guy has been out forever. Again, stainless steel. It's actually got a kind of a cool nickel Teflon coating on it to really eliminate blade stains. A little tiny stand over here. But the other cool razors they have, you may not have known, they have a really kind of not too expensive adjustable razor here. And you can see there's a little tiny diagram. You turn this little dial kind of one way and you turn it the other way, and you can kind of change the way this guy shaves from more mild to more aggressive. I'm just trying to do that here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. You just turn this little guy here, and it basically is 2 different settings for more mild and more aggressive. Pretty cool. Other, one they have is this guy, the Popular. We've put these in different kits over the years. I always say if you are new to double-edged shave and are considering making the switch, it's a good place to start. It is not the highest quality stainless steel, but it's also, I think, like a $20 razor. But a great place to start, nice long handle. Makes it for a great travel razor too. If you leave this at the gym or leave it at, in a hotel room, you're not gonna, be super upset like if you left your ASD2 around. But the other cool world they have, and I've done them on camera here many times, is the Artist Club. These guys are a super unique offering in the world of shavettes, and they have their own proprietary blades that go with these. And these guys kind of simulate more of a Camisori. So the Japanese have been famous for having the Camisori razors, where they actually are only ground on one side, and so you have to kind of hold them different than a regular straight razor. You kind of hold them more like this. You kind of do one side. If you want to do the other side, you have to kind of go like this, right? These are like the same experience, but they use a replaceable blade. So you don't have all the maintenance and upkeep of regular Camisori or a straight razor. And they have a really kind of unique pinching style of pinching the blade and holding it. But you get that really kind of nice old world quality. Like, oh, it's really beautiful, like stainless steel and wood, but then the convenience of the disposable blade. And they have some other ones out there. We recently picked up some of these other kind of less expensive versions, more kind of consumerish. Yes, this one's pink. I know, it does match my eyes. But lots of cool options over here if you want to have that same kind of experience of the Artist Club, as they're called, or Professional Artist Club. Lots of different color options, handle options. Whatever you choose, know that Feather is going to be high quality, super sharp, well made. They're all about the craftsmanship. They're all about the attention to detail, quality control. These guys have made a name for literally almost, 90 years in the business. Very cool. We like feather. I remember years ago, Razor Emporium, we started off just stocking the the blades, and then we moved on to carrying some of these plastic razors, the popular and the adjustable. Then we got the ASD2. Now we carry the Artist Club, and we'll keep on going. As feather grows, we're going to go with feather. We like them. Our customers like them. That's all I got. If you've used a feather product, if you like one of these systems, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. That's all I got today, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.